Here we go. Christmas at the Bondros. Table's all set. We're going to be having Chinese today. Come out here and meet the folks. Meet the folks. Say hi to everybody.
We did that last year too.
You guys, this is video.
Oh, it's hard. I mean, we have done it many times in a row. But
Guys, want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Hi, babe. I don't know if I'm going to get you a lot of contrast there, but maybe.
Yeah, that's good seeing.
All right. There's. Oh, that one's dark. That's.
A little dark in
Well, it's brightening up on the camera, but it's going to be a little fuzzy. Look at Jimmy camped out.
Jimmy's camped. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Alright.
I forgot how old they are.
Merry Christmas.
Did you get yourself in this time?
Yeah. Any words of wisdom, Alice?
We did a selfie.
We're all specs. We know the lecture. We know it.
Specs and
We're all just specks in the wind.
Wish your sons Merry Christmas.
So next scene will be us chowing down, pigging out.
The Chinese.
Children of God.
Speaking of which.
Oh, and don't forget, you're all on camera.
See that gift scene.
That's it.
Lots of
So then
presents.
first we gotta try and get Mom into a comfortable position.
Well, okay, I'm going to depend on your sister Sue and your brothers for that. And keep going. And going. And going. And going. And going. And going. It's getting dark in here, but I think that's it. Oh, nope. Some more. Over here. All right. Take two. Come on, everybody. Talk or something. Everybody freezes. The camera comes on and
Year 2013. Thank you. Real Chinese style.
Massachusetts.
Let's see you stuff that pie hole, honey.
Drop over his own anniversary.
There's everybody.
Hold your egg roll, Rich.
Yum, yum, yum.
Share your egg roll with me.
Come on. Oh, yeah, okay.
Interlocking egg rolls.
Come on.
What came first, the egg or the roll?
Merry Christmas. It's
Merry
delicious.
Christmas.
Yum, 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 yum.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
To me.
Just hold it? Yeah. Okay. There's the host and hostess with the mostess. 6 Belmont Avenue. We are having a very lovely Christmas Eve dinner. The Belmont Estate.
The clubhouse is
It's very nice.
Very good.
Very fitting.
How am I? How are you?
He recognized money.
That's fantastic. That's kind of a big thing.
It's what I want. I really, really want.
Yeah, well, that's great.
What I really, really want. Every
I'm okay. Sort of not perfect, but hanging in. Well. But anyway, it's been happy. Everybody opened up their doors, big and small, and everybody's having a great time.
Merry Christmas.
Had a nice supper. And
Roger's talking to himself again.
Oh, yeah.
awesome.
Part 2.
And everything is going
Tuck
really
away.
well.
Purple turtleneck. Mary.
Turtleneck was great.
Oh, there's another one.
This is where my bride is. She's in there. She's in there. She's in the bathroom. She's in the bathroom. No, that's not Mary. That's not Mary.
That's not Mary.
Jimmy.
That's behind me.
That's the Mary.
Merry Christmas. Okay.
I think a plastic bag.
Okay.